shavings. Got a lot of them. Yeah, so we're putting a Yukon and we're upgrading to 373s. It has, I believe, 331s. Has actually, yeah, 331 here, so a little upgrade. Oh, this thing was bad. It smells horrible too. Yeah, this thing was. Look at the bearings, Steve.
Oh, it does stink.
It smells. Well, it always smells, but yeah, this thing was. God damn. Smell it.
These are the stock ones.
All
right?
the ones.
Oh, los que tenía.
Yeah.
That's what you're putting.
So it had apparently had 315 gears. We're going to 373 gears. It's a big jump, but the 10-speed will like it.
Right?
Huh? Yukon gears, yeah. Yukon gears and Yukon
How's it?
carrier, yeah. We got the carrier ready. I already have the new bearings on it and everything.
Por la arena que se desprendió.
¡No chequé, güey!
Si estás cansada de mí,
Oh, no? There you go. Oh, you got it?
Trying to get you put the tire on.
No me deja, güey. Trato de hacer algo, pero no me deja.
people can actually call the shop now and ask for training or build training, though, right?
Yes.
People that don't know.
Yes. Correct. For pickup or installed.
Pick up or install.
Either one of the two.
What are we doing today?
Yeah.
Alright. So today we were working on a customer's 93 Ford Mustang. Came in here with some weird rear end noises. And put on the lift. And this seal was clapped out. And it was leaking all over that tire. Funny noises, so we looked over here and it was all loose. Well, there's nothing there now. And now we're changing everything.